Hello investors, welcome to Technically Speaking. Let's go over some of our ideas for the upcoming week. And remember, if you're a newer investor or trader, make sure to watch some of our educational videos in the description below.
As the PSEi breached the downtrend line formed last January 2023, we mentioned that the market is likely to test the 6,750 area. After a slow start early this week, the market continued its rally, hitting a high of 6,689 before closing the week at 6,648. We think that the market can still attempt to hit 6,750, but this may be our stop for now. Note that the market is currently trading close to its 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level where a potential pause may happen. Furthermore, we note that a death cross may also have occurred on Friday. We will continue to watch the market as it resumes its trading activities on Monday amidst the signals being shown by the said technical indicators.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Citicorp Energy REIT Corporation, Bloomberry Resorts Corporation. After breaking out of an inverse head and shoulders pattern, CREIT is currently consolidating within a continuation pennant formation. If a breakout occurs, then we may enter the stock at 2.60 as we expect CREIT to reach its all-time high of 2.94. Place your stop level at 2.51 or just below the pennant to manage risks. Bloom continues to trade within an uptrend channel. Zooming in, we can see that the stock breached a key resistance, 11.36. It also closed at 11.72, R by price. As such, target price is at 13.00 or at the high end of the upside channel, while our stop level is set at 11.28. Since the reward-to-risk ratio is slightly below 3-to-1, we suggest to manage your exposure accordingly.
For information on our trade ideas, please make sure to check our Technically Speaking commentaries through email or our research board. So that's all we have for this week's Technically Speaking. Please tune in next week for future market updates. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to see future content like this, and good luck trading this week.